Hello everyone, my name is Imran Ali. You are watching MAH Car AC. In this video, I have brought very special topic. It's about spark plug. What is he work? What does he work? Spark plug. What is the performance of spark plug? In front of my hands, you can see it now. This time, the first partitions I define about spark plug. Step by step, I define about spark plug very specially video. Please kindly watch my video. Be very carefully and understand me what I'm saying. So especially the first step is uh, electric rod. You can see it electric rod. Now this time you can see it now. It's my IA. You can see it now. I define about spark plug step by step using iridium, the ignitability and durability test, cost ratio spark plug. The second step is you can see it now this time in front of my hands. You can see now this, the second step. You can say it's a bolt. You know, you are saying it's a bolt. It's a bolt. Past tensile test. The work is past tensile test. And second step is housing. You can see it now in front of my hands. I highlighted the housing. New manufacturing technique, high precisions and intoxications, and pass advanced endurance test in ensure durability. The fourth step is, you can see it now, the fourth step is insulator. Insulator. You can see it now, insulator. Insulator. What does he work? What will leak proofness, durableness and heat assistance. And the fifth step is in bottom. You can see it, top of the, you can see terminal nut. Using industrial standard screw cap, high magnetable adaptations and increased tightness with ignition systems. So I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe my channel MAH Car AC and follow me, like, share with your friends. Inshallah we will meet in next video with a new informative topic.